This is my math homework number 5, Tuesday. Number 1, to find the quotient. 756 is being divided by the number 18. 18 cannot go into 7. 18 can go into 75. We could try a few numbers. Let's go and try 4. 8 times 4 is 32. I'll carry my 3. 4 times 1 is 4. Add 3 is going to be 7. So this works because 72 is close to 75 and it's not going over. So we know that will be 8 times 4 is 72. That will give us 3 left because 5 minus 2 is 3. We'll bring this guy down to make it 36. I think that I can go into it twice. 18 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Add 1 is 3. And it works perfectly. So our quotient is going to be 42. If I wanted to check if it was right, I can do 18 times 42. And it should give me 756. Moving along to number 2. Alright. It says find the difference. 58 and 84 hundredths minus 2 and 78 hundredths. Let's go and subtract this. I cannot do 4 minus 8, so I'll go next door, borrow. I have 14 now. 14 minus 8 will give me 6. 7 minus 7 will be 0. Our decimal goes straight down. 8 minus 2 is 6. The 5 is by himself. So our difference is going to be 56 and 6 hundredths. Alright, on number 3 is a word promise. Says Jesse enjoys running every day for exercise. On Monday he ran 3.30 miles. Here is Monday's miles. On Tuesday he ran 3.09. Here is Tuesday, 3.09. And on Wednesday he ran 2.98. 2.98. It says, on what day did Jesse run the farthest? Well, the farthest will be the one that's the greatest. Obviously it's not this one because that's only 2 miles. And this is 3.09 and this is 3.30. They both have 3 miles, but this one has 30 hundredths. This one only has 9. So it'll be on Monday that he runs the farthest. Next one, let's go and do some inequalities. Here's 9.21 or 9 and 21 hundredths. And here's 9.2. If I wanted to, I could add a 0. And it doesn't change anything because 9.21 is still greater. Here's 456.1. Compare that to 465.1. Obviously, 465 is greater than 456. Last one, 3.13. Compare that with 3.12. Obviously, they both have 3, but this is 13 and this is 12. So 13 hundredths is greater than 12 hundredths. Moving along, it says, what is the value of the underlined digit? Here is the number. It's the same number from yesterday. And here it is. And it's asking for the 5. The way you read it is going to be 5,678. So that's obviously in the thousand place. And we know this is in the 100 because that's 600. This is in the 10, which is 70. And this is in the 1, which is just 8. So the answer is in the thousands place. Not thousandths, but thousand place. Lastly, it says find the sum of yesterday's decimals. So let's go and write out our numbers again. It was 0.7, then it was 1.4, 3.9, 2.2, and 1.8. Well, if you want, you can add them all up at once, or you can separate them. I'm just going to separate them. I'll add these 3 first, and then I'll add these 2, and then add those together. So let's go and set this up. Here's 3.9. I will go from greatest to least. Here's 1.4. Here's 0.7. And that's going to give me, let's see, 9 plus 4 is going to be 13. 13 plus 7 will give me 20. I'll carry the 2. My decimal will go straight down. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So no, that will give me 6. Down below will be 2.2 plus 1.8. That will give me 2 plus 8 is 10. I carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is going to be 4. My decimal will go straight down. Now it's pretty much 6 plus 4. And obviously 6 plus 4 will give us an answer of 10.